It's our biggest, coolest, and most amazing challenge of the year.
We wanted to make it about something so much more, the total package, mind, body, spirit.
We've been holding this challenge for more than a decade, and each and every year our BN team is just blown away by the incredible mind, body, spirit transformations of those who really give it their all.
And the submissions that we got were so, oh my gosh, so amazing and incredible.
This 6 weeks has been incredible for me. I've experienced a huge transformation, not only physically, but in my mindset and in my spirit as well.
She said, you know, before when she joined programs, it was always about, let's do this for something. Let's get in shape for this summer. She changed it this time to let's do something for me.
This morning when I did my assessments, I realized I have lost 10.5 inches. I also did 20 BUFFnation workouts, and I went skiing 20 times. I also did a lot of other outdoor activity and visualizations and mental activities that really boosted me in my mind, body, and spirit.
Heather is down 14 inches. Look at that, 10 pounds in 6 weeks.
Start thinking of success and possibility right now, because exciting things are on the way and they can all happen in just 6 weeks. Join Spring Challenge 2023.